what have we learned so far? We've got four major parts. We've got the major axes, the minor axes, we've got the minor circle and the major circle. So let's look at that. We've got the major axis, the minor axis, the major auxiliary circle, and the minor auxiliary circle. So what we want to do now is where the minor auxiliary circle on our bottom right hand corner of the screen hits the where our dividing lines hit the minor auxiliary circle, we then go parallel to the major axis. So minor auxiliary circle parallel to the major axis. Okay, so parallel minor to major. And the same process goes for the minor axis. So where the lines breaking the circle up hit the major auxiliary circle, what we're going to do is we're going to go parallel to the minor auxiliary circle. So let's put that into practice. Now, so putting that into practice, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with this point here. So we were saying where these lines breaking out circles up, where they hit the major auxiliary circle, this is the major auxiliary circle, the big circle, what we're going to do is we're going to draw them parallel to the opposite. So the minor hits the major, we go parallel to the minor. So we go straight down like so. So I'm going to draw a line straight down, which is parallel like so. Now, I also see that this line here is going, it's hitting the minor circle here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go parallel to the major circle. Parallel like so. So we've got our line here and they cross, and that gives us 1 point on the ellipse. Okay, so let's try that again. We've got our next kind of line coming up through here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go, it hits our major circle here, we're going to go parallel to our minor circle. Like so, we're going to go parallel to our minor circle. Okay, so that's the second point. Now, so we've got this point here. Each of the outer points of our major and minor are going to be points. So that's an outer point there. That's an outer point there. We've got a whole quarter ellipse. So let's continue this for the other half. So we've got our point here, and that hits the major circle. I'm now going to go where it hits the major circle, parallel to the minor axis. So that collides there. That makes up my first point. The next one here is this point here. It hits the outer circle here. So I'm going to go parallel with our minor axis. So parallel across to here. Drawing a parallel like so, till it hits our point there. Now, we've got this one here. So we've got all our parallel points here. Okay, so that's enough for this one. We've got our 6 points, and we're going to draw the